All right, folks, buckle up. We're taking a little aerial cruise over the Side Riviera, better known as the stretch between McCormick Place and 31st Street Harbor. Look at this view. The lake's got waves smacking that concrete like it's trying to collect on overdue parking tickets. Classic Chicago, even the water's got attitude. As we cruise south, check out these waves. The Chicago Lake Michigan waves don't play around. They'll soak you on a calm day just for minding your business. It's like, welcome to Chicago, here's a free ice bath. Coming up on 31st Street Harbor, look at this place. Boats so fancy you know half of them haven't moved in 3 seasons. Some Chicagoans treat their boats like gym memberships. Great idea in May, forgotten by July. And look at that Marina, smooth water, Skyline in the back. It's basically the screensaver Chicago gives you right before winter slaps you in the face again. All right, we're turning around. Back north we go, past the Breakwalls, the joggers, the dog walkers, and that one guy who's always fishing, no matter what month it is. Blizzard? He's there. Polar vortex? He's there. Probably catches more frostbite than fish, but hey, respect the grind. And once again, these waves. They're hitting that concrete like they're mad the Bears lost again. The lake's out here doing more damage than a January pothole. As we glide back toward McCormick, look at that skyline sneaking back in the frame. That's the kind of view that makes you remember why rent is ridiculous. Stay warm, stay safe, and remember, in Chicago, if you don't like the weather, just wait 10 minutes or move 10 feet closer to the lake and get splashed.